Would you like to reclaim nearly 3 months of your life this year? I'm going to share with you a simple phone hack that gives you back roughly 2.5 months every year. The secret lies in your pocket or in your purse. It's this thing right here. I was recently reading a study from reviews.org, and it shows that the average American checks their phone, get this, 205 times a day. That's once every 5 minutes of your waking life. We spend over 5 hours on our devices, which adds up to nearly 2.5 months per year using it 5 hours a day. Here's a time-saving strategy. It's called the 5-minute rule. Every time that you go to pick up your phone, ask yourself this question: is it worth 5 minutes of my life? Because that's precisely how much time you're spending each time you pick up the phone, on average. It may be more, maybe less, but you have to look at it this way too. Not only does it take the 5 minutes on average that you're scrolling, it also takes time to re-engage what you're doing before. Try these 3 simple steps. 1, turn off notifications. Any of them that are non-essential, turn them off. 2, set specific phone check-in times. Time block what time you're going to check your phone. 3, keep your phone in another room when you're doing focused work. You can do something focused. Turn off your phone or put it in another room, put it in a drawer. Just get rid of it so it's not a distraction for you. You can check your average daily screen time on your iPhone. You can look at it and see what's the average. And I have a question for you. When you do look at that, does it surprise you? You can also set downtime and app limits for certain applications on your phone. You can do this in settings. Even if you cut your phone time down in half, that'd give you 5 additional weeks a year. Imagine what you could do with that time. The best part, unlike a complex productivity system, this is a simple change that requires 0 new habits to learn. It's about doing more. It's about scrolling less. On top of the time I just talked about reclaiming, would you like to get back an additional 10 to 15 hours a week? That's the average that my clients pick up when they do our coaching program. If you'd like more information, email me at jeff@coachjeff.com to learn more. Be audacious.